Well, you have to use a little bit of magic to unveil this. All yours. You just have to pull this down. Manshi, we want you on stage as well. The awesome twosome. There you go. Manshi, behave yourself. Being very naughty. It was a very harmless statement. Awesome twosome means sisters, soul sisters. All right. When I do lights, camera, action, you bring it down. Lights, camera, action. Aishwarya, I request you to please take a seat. There you go. And Manshi, yours too. Thank you. Let's give it up for both the ladies and gentlemen. What a brilliant kickstart to 2015. Aishwarya, I want to ask you one question. How do you manage to look every year more and more pretty? How do you do this? Is it a magic lamp? What happens? Give us the lowdown. I promise I won't let anyone else know. It's within you and me only.
This platform, 12 years with L'Oreal.
So wow.
Yes, we're worth it.
All right. What an exciting campaign, right? And what a way to start 2015 as well.
So, I'm going to stand up and give the respect. So, everybody, hello, welcome, good evening. And firstly, I'd like to wish you all a very, very happy new year. Happy 2015. Success, health, happiness, peace, and loads of love in the year ahead. And of course, in the years to come. So nice to see you all again after a bit of a gap. I think we met just last month, but it suddenly sounds like a start to another year. It's a great association that I'm getting the opportunity to celebrate with you all so early at the start of 2015 with the launch of a brilliant, vibrant, deep, mysterious, fun, exciting color of love, red. And it's an absolute pleasure today for me with the team of L'Oreal to be at the inauguration and the launch of the collection of the Star Pure Reds and to share it with you all today. We had great fun as a team of fabulous ladies, lovely brand ambassadors, great colleagues coming together to create this campaign in Cannes, and you all have had the opportunity to, I'm sure, already have a sneak peek at the ad film that we made together and the press release. And I'm sure all you ladies out there are going to enjoy experimenting, exploring, celebrating this wonderful color. And all of you all will have the pleasure of photographing it. So welcome and enjoy.
Aishwarya, I want to sing a song for you, 2 lines, all right? You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. On behalf of everyone present here, it's a classic 1960s, 70s song, all right? Did you like my singing?
Yes. I think someone slipped you a little something, right, to get you to do that right now.
No, it came naturally from within. Oh. You know, what I want to know is, what change do you feel from within, all right, when you wear a red lipstick?
You know, and I was sharing this, in fact, with my team at L'Oreal. I was very, very excited with this idea when they shared it with me mid last year, that this was the next collection we were coming up with. The earlier year, we loved sharing the nudes, the shades of nudes with everybody. And that was a natural for me. I have done that for the longest time. You all have witnessed it. Natural shades, the normal shades is what, the nude shades is what I've always worn as a lip color. And then there was this next idea of coming up with a collection of reds. And, you know, it's also, I guess, I've been at that phase of life, and so many women all around, coincidentally, have been very excited with the idea of wearing this vibrant color. And it kind of just changes your mood for the day, irrespective of what role you play. And you all have witnessed me wearing my color throughout the year at every given opportunity, because I said, all right, let's go out here and try this. And I've genuinely enjoyed the entire palette. Though I have a specific shade to me, I have really enjoyed the palette, which I have been wearing. Red, you normally associate, I think traditionally we have ample opportunity to enjoy wearing our reds. We have so many festivities with our lovely Indian traditional wear. We get to wear the color. It goes perfectly with our bindis, with sindoor, with our jewelry. It's just the perfect complement to our gold, to our precious stones. So it works brilliantly with Indian wear. But I chose to also try it equally with Western wear and casual wear, formal wear, to even wear it off a flight, which you all have seen, my dear friends from the media. I've come out of the airport wearing red color, which I never did before. I said, but let me try it. And honestly, I've enjoyed it. And believe you me, and I'm not saying this just because I'm here on this platform, but people have actually been embracing this color and wearing it with great aplomb. And women, I'm sure my dear girlfriends out here will recognize when I say, when you wear just this lovely strong lip color, you really don't need to do much else, and it just works. It's a complete accessory. You don't even need to accessorize, and you feel all dressed up going from one thing to the next. So I must say that initially, just like any other, I'm sure lady, you'll kind of wonder, am I overdoing it? But believe you me, and I'm saying this from experience, you're not. Because I also first last May started with the bold lip red in can, and I said, all right, it goes with the red carpet. You all saw it, we all enjoyed it, great. But from there on, I tried it casually. It works. So I'm saying this from experience. I'm glad I've had the time to actually experience it at every other different occasion of my life, and to sit here and say it with gusto that, yeah, you will enjoy your palette of reds. And you have proof. You've witnessed it in all the different fan photos and Instagram pictures that are up through the year. I have been enjoying my reds thoroughly.